My name is Ian and welcome to Planted. Now in this video I'm going to give you a very brief summary of one of my most popular plants. It's called the Corkscrew Vine. You can see it here behind me, covered in flowers. Wonderful fragrance which you can't experience. But what makes this so special is look at the flower architecture. They start off very tight and compact, and gradually this spiral opens and you get this. Then that opens to this. Now these plants flower from mid-May right the way through until September. A beautiful fragrance. It does need a winter temperature of 50 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. So I plant it out in the springtime, late spring, and I dig it up and I put it into my greenhouse. But you have to find this. It's a beautiful plant, well worth having. It's called the Corkscrew Vine, or Vigna caracalla, or Cochliasanthus caracalla. I know it's a bit of a mouthful, but this is where that Latin name really helps you. Make sure you get the right plant. There are a number of plants called the Corkscrew Vine. This is the one that you want. Bye for now.